to what the trainers have
એને
to
બહુ મજા આવશે
say.
જોજે ની.
All right. Now, most importantly, don't squeeze Maggie because Maggie will squeeze you back. Now, have a feel of Maggie. Feel Maggie. Is Maggie smooth and dry or wet and slimy? Smooth and dry or wet and slimy? Wet. I think you are wet and slimy. Snakes are actually very smooth and rather dry.
Go for your break right now.
Tea break. Jason, I have to go for my tea break now. I'm very sorry.
Kenapa dia harus